Hey, trader. So, we're going to take a look at Invest with Corey. He has a ton of information. He seems really knowledgeable, and I have signed up to his webinar. I think he holds it every single month. All right, let's go ahead and sign up in the webinar. I'm going to showcase a few things that I learned along the way, and we're going to talk about it at the end. So I think he's going to probably promote something. That's what webinars usually are. They're like a class, and then they're like, oh yeah, by the way, sign up for my program, and it costs, a gazillion dollars. So we'll find out together. Okay, I'm just gonna change my, well, actually I don't need to since I don't have my camera on. This is like my business because I'm a real estate agent, so it has my my website on there. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this bigger. I'm so excited. I can't wait to learn from Corey. Are you excited? I am. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for him to come on. I don't hear anything. Invest with Corey is right here. All right, so I have my tea ready, my evening tea ready, and I'm ready to learn. Let's trade, let's make some money. All right, friends, just quick update. It is 8:08. 8 minutes in, no sound. It shows right here, Invest with Corey. He has not come on. I'm a high D on the disc profile. Very efficient with my time. And I do not like people being late. I don't like waiting around. I feel like it's... Okay, I think he might be starting now. So, okay, I'll get right back with some learning strategies that he's sharing.
400 puts. Okay, then we go into
just wanted to show you part of the Discord that he's sharing.
And yesterday, it did exactly what I said it would do 3 days ago. Like, you can't make this up. It's on YouTube right now. Go watch it. Watch me draw the line. Then come back and remember what I said here. I literally predicted this move 3 days before it happened. And I showed you my trade alert in the Discord. We printed free money yet again. This is not hard. I knew this was going to happen. This wasn't a guess. This was I knew it was going to happen. This is what I do. This is why students are successful. This is how we do it, okay? So, I'll show you more about the Discord too, by the way. Let's show you profits, because that's what you guys are really interested in at this point, obviously. So, here is Timmy, $11,000 in a month, okay? $32,000 right here. This is before the market went down a bit. He's recovering. This guy here's got a 3x on his portfolio since joining. $35,000 in 3 months on a $17,000 portfolio. Eugene, look at this. He's up $8,000 this year. He's been here for, I don't know, about $10,000. He's up $10,000. Here's his portfolio right here in profits. We also have Mitchie right here, smaller account, $11,000 on a small account in profits. This is me showing my Discord that, look at this. I went from 414 in my challenge account to 420. And look what this day is. December 23rd, December 18th. I made $6,000 in 5 days. Doing virtually nothing. Like, it's easy. You can't make this kind of money unless you know what you're doing.
I'm just wondering what the losses are, because it's only showing the wins.
$6,000 a month. My student Sherry right here, I'll show you my private message with her. She started with $8,000 and she's pushing like 45 and change. It's in, so
all right, he's going to talk about the pricing right now.
That's only one package. Don't scare them away. I'm going to scare them even more though right now. But if you have like a $300,000 package or a $400,000 account or $300,000 account, anything over $250,000, and you need help, we do have an executive elite package which Steve, Robert, and Rohit is in, and a couple other students, as well as Tom. I got a couple of other students that have recently signed up for the elite and executive packages. It'll scare you if you have a small portfolio, but if you have a $500,000, it's not scary. Those packages are like 45,000, but they are one-on-one for a year. So it's basically you and me, just us. Something like this, but just you and me for a year. So 45,000 is a lot of money, but not to someone like me or my other members in here that have, there's a couple of members in here that actually have $1 million. It's not a lot of money because for us, it's relative. 45,000 on $1 million is like the same thing as you giving someone $5,000 if you had like 70,000. It's not the same. It's relative. You know what I'm saying? So it is scary. But for anybody else that's got like say less than that, maybe you have 100K or 150K, we have an elite package, which is below that. It's a lot less. But if you're interested in those, we can't do anything right now. You got to email me directly and we'll get you in by Monday on those. We got to organize that. It's a full year and a commitment. For anybody else who just wants to join, you only have 10K because we do have packages to accommodate everyone at one point or another. And I'm glad you're in, and we're going to make a lot of money. So if you want to join right now, I do have a lifetime membership, which is forever. And it's a lot better of a deal than the 1-year membership. But to make it easy, I advertise right now the 1-year membership because you will beg me to upgrade. That's a fact. 100% within 3 weeks to a month or less, you'll be calling me, begging me to upgrade to lifetime. I know you will, because every student I have in Discord, literally all of them have done it. Because I will make you so much money, more than you expect, so quickly, you'll beg to upgrade. So I don't have to sell you anything expensive. I can just give you the easy package and you'll just beg to upgrade. And I'm not saying that because I'm trying to be like mean about it. I mean, you're going to be so excited. You're going to believe in me once I show you how it works. Like it's working for you. So if you want the lifetime, it's 5K forever. If you want the boot camp, it comes with lifetime and you get 6 weeks of boot camp just like this, and it's 1,000 more. If you want the boot camp with that, access, and you want coaching sessions with me, that's the 8K Zachary was talking about. But if you just want to get in this weekend for less because you have a smaller portfolio, 3K is titanium. It gives you a year. But you will beg to upgrade. You will. And I'm not pressuring you into joining.
All right, guys, you got the price.
I don't make much money, if any money at all, doing this. I'm already rich. I don't need it.
All right, so I just finished the session, and I thought I was going to share more of how he does things. He didn't really reveal much of anything, to be honest. Primarily boasting on how he knew the stocks would perform a certain way because of psychology and how he worked, I think, 1 month at Schwab. I think he said he worked twice there, but in one example, he said he worked 1 month there, putting orders for Schwab and making millions of dollars for them by selling, high and buying low. My overall impression is that he says he's Catholic and he wants to help people, and the elite membership that he offers is like $45,000, which includes his coaching, and then if you wanted a lifetime, it's like $5,000. If you wanted 1 year, it's $3,000. And then he says literally that he's already, pretty well off and he doesn't need the money, but yet these prices don't reflect that. And he has some expenses. I mean, Discord is practically nothing, for using the service. He says he has some coaches, etc. And I think coaches can make money by offering private coaching to students to trade. I just have a difficult time. I don't mind paying for services. Is he worth $45,000? I mean, it really depends on, do you think it's worth $45,000? If you have a very large multi-million-dollar portfolio, I would say that perhaps, you might not think that's a significant amount of investment. However, just starting trading like I am right now, that even $3,000 a year or $5,000, is kind of a big jump because I'm trying to become profitable. Do I think Corey could help me get there? Yeah, but are there other coaches that can help me get there? Yes. Also, I have seen other students that posted, that they've followed his trades on the free YouTube channel and other teachers among him. So, am I joining the program? No. I did, however, want to share this, and I was hoping that he would teach more strategy. He did talk a lot about psychology, that he has a finance degree, and his father was a clinical psychologist or something like that, helping veterans. I do think that there is a psychological aspect of buying and selling. And even for me personally, like if I knew that the stock was, around 160 or 200 range, like Tesla earlier last year, and now I see it in the 400 range, I have a hard time paying around $400 knowing that just a few months ago I could have got it like half that price. And I think a lot of people feel that way. So lots to learn about trading. Thank you so much for joining me, and make sure to grab all the free links and resources that I have provided down below, and I hope to connect with you soon. I'll be sharing my trades as well, and I wish you nothing but the best. And let me know, are you part of Corey's Discord? Are you satisfied with it? How are your investments? But as for right now, I am not moving forward joining his program. All right, peace out.